Friends, Instagram is the most used app globally. For the universe, Instagram is a popular social media app that allows you to share posts and stories and allows you to chat with your friends and family. Instagram keeps adding new features to ensure users enjoy using the app. Now, you can make groups on Instagram. To know how to make group on Instagram, dive into the details here. So open your Instagram account. On the top right corner, you can find a rocket icon. Once you enter your message section, click on the pen icon on the top right corner. Once you click, a list of suggestions will appear. Tick the circle on the names of whom you want to add to your group. You can also use the search bar available to find your friends too. Once you are done, tap on the chat icon on the top right corner. Here you can do more settings in your group. Go to the group that you have created, click the info option on the header. In that info, you can see multiple options where you can mute messages, mute video calls and add or remove people. So at a single time, you can add only up to 32 people to your group. You can do all the activities that are accessible in your normal messages. So that's it, your group is ready to have fun. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please hit the like button. I will come in another interesting topic. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay happy and stay tuned.